This is the Conveyor Belt Tension and Friction Interactive Calculator, which solves for belt tensions and motor power requirements in conveyor systems. Let's review the 6 input fields. First, enter belt length in meters. Second, input load mass in kilograms. Third, specify belt mass per length in kilograms per meter. Fourth, enter the friction coefficient, represented by mu. Fifth, input belt speed in meters per second. Finally, enter the incline angle in degrees. For this demonstration, I'm using these values. Belt length equals 10 meters, load mass equals 10 kilograms, belt mass per length equals 10 kilograms per meter, friction coefficient equals 10, belt speed equals 10 meters per second, and incline angle equals 10 degrees. After clicking Calculate Belt Tension, we get 4 results. Effective tension T1 equals 10,814.44 newtons. This is the tight side tension. Slack side tension T2 equals 3,188.12 newtons. Required motor power equals 108,144.44 watts, indicating the motor capacity needed. Total belt tension equals 14,002.56 newtons, representing the sum of both tensions. These values help engineers properly size motors and design safe conveyor systems. Find the link in the description below.